welcome back to ECS Coffee. I'm Jack and I'm sitting on the counter because I'm the only one here and they can't tell me not to. Today we're going to be unboxing the Miele CM6 Milk Perfection, otherwise known as the 6160. It is one of the newer models and we're going to take it out of its box. All right, so yeah, the 6160 is one of the newer machines in the Miele lineup, and today we're just gonna be doing an unboxing of it. We'll have other videos on it, of course, but this one is just taken out of its box, showing you what's inside, how it gets packed, so if you need to repack it, you can reference this video and play it in reverse and figure that out on your own. But this should be a good helping hand, and it lets you know what comes with the machine, right? Anyways, as always, I have a knife, and I'm going to use it to stab this box. And by stabbing this box, I mean just cutting it. The Miele boxes really, you know, they're kind of neat. There's no like front or back. They're just both very nice pictures. See, nice picture on this side, nice picture on this side too. There's a bunch of info on the side here, but you know, who reads that? It's a box. No one reads the box. All right, let's cut this open. That was a very satisfying cut, I'd like to point out. It cut perfectly and precisely, especially due to the fact that the knife is very dull. Okay, so open the box, and it seems like right here we've pretty much got everything presented to us. So the drip tray's popped out a bit, but I'm gonna tip it over a smidgens, and don't drop everything, and boom, that's what we got. So we got the cleaning stuff here, the drip tray here. We're gonna stand it back up. Okay. Drip tray is gonna come right out. It wasn't sitting in its proper spot. It just, you know, it was angled a bit. Seems to have fallen around, but that's fine. It's not actually blue. This is just a plastic film that goes over it to stop it from getting scratched. You can peel that off, but I'm not going to because I don't know what we're using this machine for, so I'm gonna leave it on for now. I'll put that there to the side. Then we've got these cleaning tablets, descaling tablets. They're really chunky, and I feel like this package will be very satisfying to open. It's like if you like open a new ketchup bottle, and you gotta poke through the film around the lid. Like you take the lid off, you poke through the film. It's that sort of film. Oh, I wanna poke it, but I'm not going to. So that also comes with it. And then we've got this. These are cleaning tabs. They're tabs that clean. Anyways, that's what's on top of the box, or on the top of the box. So let's get the actual styrofoam out. But this machine is far too big, and I'm gonna need to take it out on the floor where you can't see it. Lovely, gotta love that. Okay, so we're just gonna pick it up here and put it down the floor. And then there's two handles right next to the actual outside handles on the box. And they help you just grab it and pick it right on up. Okay, here it comes. Here it comes. Okay, hold up. There we go. Okay. Oh, there, boy. Oh, there. Okay. Oh, there. Okay, there we go. Oh, there we go. Boom, something fell out. Okay. So that's the main box empty. You know, they don't say that unboxing videos are physically intensive, but, you know, they are. Anyway, so yeah, this is the warranty and everything. The booklet, the manual fell out. Manual, who reads them, right? You should read them, read the manual. Okay, otherwise, yeah, there's nothing else on the outside here. So there's no milk thing or container with this machine. All right, so power cable just comes off like that. It was just strapped around the back, as you saw. And let's take this styrofoam off. So I'm gonna hang it off the edge a little bit here to remove the front styrofoam. Okay, there's the front styrofoam off. And then I'm gonna pick it up from the front a bit, and then we're gonna take the back styrofoam off. Doesn't this just look so smooth and easy? Gotta love unboxing machines. Just the best. Okay, back styrofoam is off. Ooh, I just landed that in the box. You can't see it, but it's kind of impressive. Okay, so now we've just got this plastic bag on top, and we're gonna get this plastic bag off of it. This isn't any sort of fancy wrappage. I know that the Philips machines have like a styrofoamy wrapping, and the DeLonghi machines have like a soft plastic wrapping. This is just plastic. It does the job. It's just like a shopping bag. Nothing special. Anyways, here's the machine. So we'll take the drip tray. We'll throw it on right there. Otherwise, that's pretty much it. Inside of here, the water container, there's a few more things. inside of the water container, there's more things. So let's take those out. So we've got the milk tube here, as well as the nice and extra extended spout for the milk, as well as a little pipe cleaner brush and a warranty card here, or a caution card here, I should say, telling you to make sure you run some water through it before you actually use it for the first time. So we're gonna put the container back there. And I am curious about something. If you look here, there's a little channel where you are intended to put the milk tube. Now this worked great on the old Miele machines because they had single milk tubes that could just sit in right there. But the new Miele machines have a double milk tube, which does not fit in there. So I don't know if they were just reusing plastic molds and didn't think of that, or if there's some other reason, but this storage area for the milk tube does not work. It will not help you. It is completely useless unless you're using an old milk tube system, which I don't know why you would use on this new machine. Yeah. Otherwise, that's pretty much it for the unboxing. You get what you get. It's the machine and a few other required accessories and cleaning items. That's pretty much it. So nothing super crazy special in there. No fancy barista kit like some of the DeLonghi machines have. Just the machine, the box, and the essentials. But that's all you really need. Anyways, I've been Jack. This is the Miele 6160 out of the box. And we'll have more videos on this machine coming at you shortly on our YouTube channel, which is where you're watching this. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more. Anyways, I've been Jack. Thank you for watching. Take care.